Hi guys, hope you're well. I wanted to do another quick video to let you know I've put 2 days on the clock for the AZON Emergency Action Plan webinar. It's all ready for you to go through. It's actually taken place. So the way it works is that when you get a spot, you'll be able to watch the whole thing. Now there is a place so you can put questions and so on that I'll get back to, but it's ready for you to go through. And what it will do is give you the 10 top niches for Amazon right now with what's going on. So really simply, there's certain niches that have gone way down, and there's certain niches that have gone way up. And what I'm actually going to do in this video is give you another free one which isn't in there. The 10 ones I'm going to keep secret for you in case you decide to join, so they're not all around the web. But I'm going to give you a free niche as well to explain how they're sort of picked and why they're so good. But what the webinar will do for you is, number one, give you the 10 top niches you should be into right now. Best time for Amazon affiliate sites, because there's loads more people online, and also they're using Amazon a lot more, and of course there's certain niches that are doing better because of what's going on. So it's horrible what's going on. I'm the first to admit it. Horrible isolation, and I hope you're safe, and I hope it's not stressing you out too much, although it's really hard. But it's one of the best times to work on this as well, because it's almost like, the way I look at it is, everything, if you haven't got going up to this point, everything's just been practice. Okay, this is the best way to view it. Everything's just been practice, but now it's time to make it work. You got the time to do it. You might even be off work and have more time than you've ever had, so now's the time to do it. And the webinar will not just give you the niches, but it will also give you step-by-step action plan, so you can actually do this and get it done. And in terms of the know-how, you know, building Amazon affiliate sites and SEO and all of the stuff you need to know, I'm giving you the 30-day Do It With Me course. That's a complete 30-day course you get access to. It's all available straight away, and it's split up into 30 videos. And once you've been through that entire course, you'll know exactly what to do. You also get the Speed Builder templates and the AZON Problem Solve webinar, and the AZON Traffic Secrets as well as support in the Facebook group. So 10 niches and exactly how to do it. It's one of the best things that you can do if you want to get going. And without making the video too long, check out the link below if you want to join. I'm going to just keep it on for 1 day and 23 hours, and then I'm going to shut it down, and I might resell it at a higher price. But right now you can get in. I don't know if I will sell it again. It's a webinar. I don't want to give the niches away too many times, so do check it out. In the link below you can get immediate access and go through that. And I want to give you a really good niche regardless of whether you choose to join or not. Here's a great niche and an example of what I'm talking about. 1, 2, 3, boom. Okay, fish food and supplies. I've put that there just as an example, but what I really mean with this niche, I wanted to narrow it down onto something but pet food. Okay, with all the stores shutting and with deliveries, and if you've tried online shopping, it's pretty crazy. So people will be going to Amazon to buy their pet food and also pet stuff. Okay, I've picked fish because there's so much stuff that you can get. Aquariums and fish bowls, aquarium cleaners, all of this stuff will go way up because people still need these things but they can't get out for them. Okay, so you could build a whole authority site around fish food and supplies, and it would do really well, you know, taking in these sections. So imagine in your mind an authority site with a section for each of these: aquarium decor, aquarium thermometers, aquarium pumps, and so on. Okay, and then having the best products from each. I've picked out on Uber Suggest just aquarium pumps, and you can see 3,600 searches a month, only a 50 search difficulty. Okay, and if you have a site, or if you built a site in there, and you so, not without making the video too long, if you build a site properly, as I show you in that webinar, you'll see the link below. I give you everything so you can build the proper site. I'm not on about just a scraped site or an article spun site. It needs to be a proper site, but you could focus in on one of these areas: aquarium pumps, aquarium cleaners, or you could do an authority site with all of them, and you'd get way more traffic right now because with pet supplies. Okay, so you don't have to do aquariums or fish, but really good niche for you. Use that. Okay, even like aquarium stands. What I recommend is not an authority site maybe, but I recommend thefishesfriend.com or something. Okay, friendsforyourfish.com, something like that domain name, and doing a couple of these. So maybe not all of these products because it would be a huge amount of work, but definitely focusing on the main best price. Okay, aquarium pumps and filters, aquarium and fish bowls, aquarium stands, aquarium water treatments. This is still people with fish will still need this stuff. Fish food, people with fish still need to feed them. Aquarium cleaners, okay, and the different ones as well. So you want to focus in on that, and I've just done with Ubersuggest just aquarium pumps, but there'll be loads of searches for different things, and relatively easy to rank. So that's the sort of niche that you want to jump on. That isn't one of the 10 that you'll get when you join the webinar. You get a fresh 10 that no one's seen unless they've been in on the webinar. So do check it out. I'll tell you who it's for. Any beginner that genuinely wants to build profitable Amazon affiliate sites, anyone that's tried and tried and tried and tried and tried and not got anywhere. I can tell you that this will give you everything you need, but I can tell you it's the content. Okay, it's the content. Like, you want to be writing 2,000 words per product review, and you want to be writing really in-depth keyword content, and it's harder work, but you can get quicker results that way, and it will work. Okay, it's not so much down to the plugins you're using and the site layout and all of that stuff. It's down to the content and really, really good SEO, and I'll show you exactly how to do it in there. So I suppose what I'm trying to say is, if you're not into writing content, I totally get it. It's really hard work. Most people, that's why they don't build a site up, if you will, because it's the content. Okay, but it's the only way. Now, you don't have to be writing 100 pages or anything like that. I give you an action plan as well. So I show you how to do this in the quickest possible way with the best niches, and as long as you follow the plan, it will work for you and you'll do really, really well. And now's the best time. I mean, all you have to do is switch Netflix off for an hour and spend it working on this, and it will be far more profitable for you as well. So if you need extra money as well, this is one of the best things to do. But it is work, I suppose. That's what I'm saying. It's not a push button thing or anything like that. Real work, but not too much, like organized work and separating out your time to do it. So do check it out. I hope you enjoyed the niche. You'll find the link below, and I'd love to show you. It's all ready as well. You get the full. So the way it works, you go through to the webinar, but it's not live because it was done on Tuesday. I forgot. See, this is the thing with isolation. You know, you forget what day it is. Tuesday, March the 31st, it was held, but you get the entire replay. Nothing missed out, so you can go through it and watch it as many times as you want, and you get all of these bonuses as well. Okay, so you get all of these. So come and join us. I'd love to have you, and I'll see you inside, and it's one of the best things you can do to get going. I hope you enjoyed that free niche, and I'll speak to you really, really soon. Cheers, guys.